Yeah. All right. I wanted to do this so I do not forget. Well, I wanted to actually like practice my coding skills, hone in my coding skills, and make sure that I don't lose it. And how do I do that? I just do some like random exercises on Coddy.tech. So the only reason why I choose this is it has a Rust pathway, which I've been learning Rust for about a year and a half now. And I've been out of the game for a couple months, meaning like I haven't really like developed something that had to require me to manually code with my mind, which just means like I've been dependent on AI. So I'm going back to kind of look at some of these things, and I'm bringing you with me here. So let's see. We're going to go through some random challenges. I'm going to try to do this like as much as possible, maybe once per day or whatever. And then we're going to see how that goes. All right, so let's see what we got here. We got a challenge, which is a type declaration challenge and corresponding types, blah, 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 10, 150.75, that's a float, and init 32 and I32. Char for the A and the Boolean is for false, and the string is Bob123. So let's go ahead and let's declare these variables. So what's the first one? Count equals 10. I'm sure that's correct. Let the total see 150.75, 150 point. Okay, so the next one is the Boolean, which is let is active, yes, and that is true skis. Is it true? No. And the next one is let, and then we let that as ampersand str with the ampersand str. Great. And I think that's it. And we got the print statements below also, because all the print statements have these little brackets straight output this. Let's code. Bazinga! Bazinga! Okay, we got it. Bazinga, bazinga. All right, let's see. Now let's go over here and see what we've got. What's the next one? Naming conventions? All right, let's check it out. Wait, I want a fucking quiz. Coding exercise, not quizzes. I don't give a shit about quizzes. We did type that. Okay, obviously we just did that one. What's this one? Naming conventions. No, I'm not. I don't want to do no fucking. What is that? All right, this is coding exercise. Great. All right, let's check this out. So, value of 10.99. Okay, looks like we got quality price message is available. All right, so let's declare the shit. Which is left base, and that is for quantity. No price. Oh yeah, product price is pointing. And so kind of dropped the gun here. And then what's the last one? Is the variable is available, and that is a Boolean. Easy as see. Now we have all the print statements declared. So let's try to run this bugger. Yeah, bazinga. Let's get back over to here, and I think that's about it. How many minutes have we been on? Oh, only 8 minutes. Boy, I feel tired. I hate coding other people's shit. Again, all right. Well, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll do like between 8 and 10 minutes. I'm just going to kind of low crawl through this. I like picking the exercises, challenging them. This one was not hard. This is like the basic beginning. It's more like reading than there is actually coding. And like, this was so basic. So thanks for joining me, but I ain't trying to be a crusty dog and lose all my skills, especially I was spending so much time like building stuff in Rust lately. This is good idiomatic Rust where you can like build, build from that. Anyway,